चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Right, see, let's first clear the air. It is not the NEET examination that has been cancelled. It is the UGC NET examinations that has been called off now. The examinations were held on the 18th of June, and on the 19th, the center had received certain inputs from the Cybercrime Threats Analytics Unit regarding certain, issues during the examinations that would affect the integrity of these exams, which is why the center has taken this particular step of cancelling these examinations. Now, remember, this examination cancellation of the UGC NET comes at a time when there is a massive furor amongst the students regarding the UG NEET examinations, regarding the conduction and declaration of its results and alleged malpractices and irregularities during these examinations. And now what we see in terms of the UGC NET, the government has said that the examinations will be reconvened. It will be held once again for the students because there were some defaults that were found during the conduction of the examination, but the date has not yet been finalized. It will be announced. On the other hand, if we talk about the protest that will be held in the national capital today, the JNUSU and the SFI, both of these student unions will be holding a massive protest today at the Shastri Bhavan regarding all these issues that have been currently found, and NTA finds itself into a position of setback. Now it is yet to be seen whether the NTA will go ahead and cancel or reconduct the NEET examinations. That is the big question, which is why all of these issues have been currently dealt with. The government is very clear. It has told the NTA that if there has been any irregularities found on the part of the NTA in terms of the NEET examinations, then strict action must be taken. It has also asked, certain details from what irregularities happened at the Bihar unit regarding the release of, regarding the leak of the, question papers, and also in terms of the grace marking that has been taken care of. So all these deliberations are being taken place. We have to wait and see what happens next in regards of the NEET exams. But for now, the UGC NET stands cancelled.